Hello beautiful people, how you guys doing? I'm Belinda. I do videos on DIY hair care, hairstyles, wigs and some other fun stuff. So today let's do some fun stuff. Let's draw eyebrow. I get asked, please you go teach me how you did do your eyebrow, teach me how you did do them. So today let me just make a video of it. This is not a professional video, so all those professional, I beg, don't come for me. This is just how I draw my simple eyebrow. So for those that are ready to learn from me, just get started. And if you're a professional, I'm sure you wouldn't need this video. So you're going to need this kind of brush. Yes, and secondly, you're going to need 2 shades of foundation, a dark and a lighter foundation, and of course you're going to need your pencil, any color of pencil that you're going to be using, and your powder to like blend it and make it seamless, I guess. So let's start. Make sure your pencil is sharpened. Yay. Yo, it just broke off. Okay, let me sharpen it again. Don't sharpen it too much so it won't break like mine. Let's see. I think this is okay. So what you're going to do is I'm going to be using this mirror because I don't want to come too close to the camera. So you're going to start from the down like this and draw a line. No, guys, you're supposed to brush the hair first. You're going to brush your hair first like this. I forgot that part because I don't have much hair yet. So, well, you have to brush it. Brush it like this, and then draw the line from bottom. And then don't start directly from here. You start somewhere here and draw, and then start filling in like strokes, like this. So when I do this, then I take this brush to brush out this beginning to make it seamless like this, and I brush the rest back. So the next thing I do is I take my concealer or the lighter foundation, then put it here, and then I take the darker one and put it somewhere close to it, so you see it's 2 different shades. You're going to need 2 different shades. Don't use the same shade for the top and down. It's not gonna be fine, you get me? So I'm going to use the lighter one. If it's too light, you can just blend it like this. Just take some of this dark one and take some of the light one like so. It's not going to be too light or too dark. So that's what I'm going to use for the bottom. So when this is done, I go in with a darker one. I know some people already say, what did you do? She's not doing it right. I already said in the beginning of this video, I'm not a professional. But this is just how I do mine, you get me? So I did the lighter one. I start from somewhere. I don't just go from here, I start from here. I draw it down like so. Then the remaining one on the brush, then I use it to smoothen out this part like this. I don't want too much on the brush, so I'm just going to clean it a little like this. until there's not much product on the brush. Then I do this. What I'm doing is I'm just blending it into my skin. See? So that's how I do my brows. And why I said you need powder, like, you know, to make it, how can I say, to make it fine. So I just do like this. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. Please consider clicking on the subscribe button, like and share this video. You know how to do it. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remain blessed and bye bye.